Welcome to HF Skill Fair. Today we are going to see top 5 React Native libraries you must use in your projects. These are the libraries which are most used and most downloads. So let us start. First, First and most important library in React Native is React Native Navigation. It is really important to understand navigation in React Native, and it is one of the tough part in React Native. So to ease this, we will use the library React Native Navigation. It provides you the facility to make drawer navigation, tab navigation, stack navigation. These are most three important use navigation in React Native. So to use this library, first read the docs present in React Native reactnavigation.org site. When you visit React Native org site, you will find read the docs. There you will find getting started. To install this library, first you need to run the command npm install @react-navigation/native and also install its dependencies. After it, you can use the library. Currently React Native version 5 is released, and it is the latest version in React Native navigation. So to understand routing stands for moving from one page to another. You can use this library, and it is most widely used library in React Native community. Next is React Native responsive screens. As we know that in today's world, it is most important to have your website or app responsive. Responsive stands for UI compatibility for all mobile sizes. Like if you are using mobile on your small device or a large device or on a tablet, it should not distort its layout. So it is really important to make screen responsive to enhance the user behavior. So to reach this goal, React Native responsive screen plays an important role. To install this library, you need to write the command npm install react-native responsive-screen, and you can visit the documentation of npm, and you will find the use of this library and the props it is used. Main feature of this library is it used the width percentage and height percentage in regardance with the screen. So you can set the width and height percentage in a responsive way in regardance to the screen. After screen, making your font responsive plays an important role. Like if you show large fonts on small device and small fonts on large device, it would not look good. So to make font responsive, we can use the library React Native responsive font size. Responsive font size take the value in percentage or in regardance with the screen size. So you can set different font value for different screen size or with the percentage, so that it would be responsive in all manner and with all screens. So you can, to install this library, you can type the command npm install react-native responsive-font size, and you can visit the documentation of npm for finding more props about this. Next library is React Native Maps. So if you want to integrate maps in your React Native app, and it is generally the demand of many apps today, like 50 to 60% of apps today required maps. So due to new Google policies, you need to register your account on Google Cloud Platform, and you need to activate the billing. You will find their key, and that key is used in your React Native Maps. So React Native Maps is a very most used library and very compatible with devices. So it provides you a facility to include maps in your projects. Also the marker on it, polygon, polyline, circle, overlay, heat map, GeoJSON, and different types of map. Also it allows you to customize your map color and many more. So to include this library in your project, you need to type the command npm install react-native-maps, and you need to make some settings in your Android manifest and include the map key there. Also iOS devices have some manual settings, so you can refer the docs and do that settings. Last but not the least, the next library is React Native Vector Icons. You all know that icons play an important role in your mobile applications. We all need to see good icons and describable icons in our projects. So to use that, we will use one library, React Native Vector Icons. React Native Vector Icons is a very vast library. It contains more than 3000 icons in it. So React Native icons, vector icons contains the set like N designs, N typoable icons, feather, Fontasm 5, Fantasto Foundation, Ion icons, material community icons, octants, social, simple line icons, and many more. So to download this library, you must use the command react native vector icons, and to see the name of icons, you must visit the website react native vector icons directory, where you can search icons according to your type. Also, important thing about this library is you need to link this library to Android and iOS, rather it will not work. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my video. You can put your comments regarding this video in my comment section. Thank you.